Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and I'm so excited because it's the holiday season. And with the holiday season, people are making turkeys. And when you're making turkeys, we have turkey leftovers. Now, the most common way to use the leftovers is probably the turkey sandwich, but there's a wide variety of ways to use up your leftovers. And today I'm going to show you a casserole dish known as the Turkey Tetrazzini, which was thought to be created in 1908 at the Palace Hotel in San Francisco. And remember, if you're liking these videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll be notified every time we make a new video. Let's get started. Okay, so check it out. I've boiled off 12 ounces of bow tie farfalle pasta to al dente, which means it's firm to the tooth. Traditionally you use spaghetti, even linguine, but I like using little bite-sized pieces of pasta for my casseroles. I've got 3 cups of leftover diced turkey. We're gonna get that in the bowl with the pasta, and then we're just gonna gently fold that all together. All right, now it's time to grab your big saute pan and get to the stove, and also preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so I have my saute pan heating on medium. We're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm so excited. My friend that's from Italy was recently visiting over there and brought us this brand of wonderful extra virgin olive oil. Okay, we're gonna add about tablespoon, followed by 4 tablespoons of butter. Melt that down. All right, once your butter starts to foam, we're going to add in celery, diced onion, 3/4 cups each, followed by 2 cups of sliced crimini mushrooms, which are baby portobello mushrooms. And if you can't find those, you can use button mushrooms. All right, this needs to saute for a good 5 minutes so everything cooks. Okay, after about 3 minutes, it's time to add the garlic shallot puree. I have a teaspoon here. And if you don't have that, you can use a couple cloves of smashed minced garlic. Okay, those mushrooms are cooking down. Got a couple more minutes here. Oh gosh, it smells so good. All right, you can see the mushrooms have cooked down. Onions are translucent. Now it's time to add our 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We want to stir that. Get all the veggies coated. We want to cook this for a couple of minutes. It's going to be our roux. So we got the fat in there, now we have the flour. After about a minute, we are now going to stir in 2 cups of chicken stock. And then now we're going to cook this for a few minutes until it starts to boil. You want to make sure you're stirring this the whole time so no lumps form. All right, folks, it's bubbling. Now it's time to stir in a cup of heavy cream, followed by 3 tablespoons of sherry wine, or you can use any dry wine, white wine. And if you don't want to use wine, you can use apple juice. And incorporate that. All right, you can see it's coming to a simmer. At this point, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of kosher sea salt, followed by fresh cracked pepper. I like a lot of pepper. I'm going to take the heat off, and we're going to add a half a cup of shredded Parmesan. I have a whole cup here, so we're going to save a half for the topping. And then 3/4 cup of sliced little petite green olives. Oh yeah, look at that nice, wonderful, thick mushroom sauce. And at this point, you can even add, spinach leaves, fresh asparagus tips that have been pre-cooked off. whatever your favorite little vegetable is that you think would go good in here with the mushrooms. Now we're just going to pour the mushroom olive sauce over the pasta and turkey. Okay, carefully get your pan, pour that wonderful sauce mix in there, and then gently fold that into the pasta. Okay, now we're going to transfer it to a 13x9 greased casserole dish. Okay, now we're just going to garnish with the rest of the Parmesan. Like I said, I had a little over a cup altogether that I grated up. Oh man, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. And then a little dab of chopped fresh Italian parsley. About a quarter cup here. Okay, we're ready for the oven. 400 degrees, center rack, about 30 minutes, and we'll be eating. Uncovered. Yes. It's been 30 minutes and it's bubbling. It's ready to come out of the oven. Oh man. There we go. All right, guys, let's eat. I'm gonna get a bite here. Dig in with my fork. Try and get a little bit of everything for this bite. A little mushroom, pasta, turkey, olive. Oh yeah. Oh man. What a great way to use your turkey leftovers for another comfort meal. It's really good. You get that savory mushroom cream. You get the tang of the olive. Hint of little sweetness from the sherry. This one's a hit. Please give this recipe a try. Let us know what you think. And as always, thanks for tuning in.